What is up, investors? Jason here. So let's talk about Cardano today. So currently we have Cardano back above 50 cents at this time. Now there are some things going on with the price movement. We got some things going on with the Vasil Hard Fork testnet. So we got some updates that we need to be talking about. So if you don't mind, as we get to it, please do me a huge favor because it helps this channel out a lot. And that is if you smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button. Help me out with the algorithm, help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe with the bell notification on if you haven't already, because there is new content that comes out every single day. Now let's get to it. Now with Bitcoin up nearly 5% over these last 7 days, Cardano is moving that same direction with it, up 5% as well. Now, Cardano is now the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It was recently surpassed by XRP, which had a big price breakout. So looking over the chart of Cardano right now in USD, what we have is we have the price right around that 20-day moving average right now, which it's always been trading under that 20-day moving average. Every time that it starts to, it does manage to get above it lately. It's going to that 50-day moving average, and then it has a lot of resistance there. That's what we've seen it do a couple of the last times that it had passed the 20-day moving average. So if we are able to pass this, hopefully we will work our way up to that 50-day moving average, and who knows what will happen then. Now, if we look over at what Cardano is doing along with Bitcoin, if we compare it to Bitcoin instead of USD, it's a bit different of a situation where we're past that 20-day moving average. Our 20-day moving average has now passed the 50-day moving average and the 100-day moving average, and we're working on trying to get over that 200-day moving average. So it's a way different of a situation. So there's a possibility here of a big breakout coming when we look at Cardano in this way right here. When we look at it, we look at ADA with Bitcoin instead of ADA with USD. It's very close to having a potential breakout passing that 200-day moving average. Now, for some people, you're probably going to look at that and think that that's not a big deal. The fact that it's getting ready to pass that 200-day moving average or trying to break through that 200-day moving average. But that actually is a really big deal. And especially you can see how much resistance there actually is on that 200-day moving average. There is a lot of resistance right there. And the last time that it had passed the 200-day moving average was back in January. So we haven't seen that since. And in January, we can't even really count that because that was just a little flash rally that didn't really count. And it quickly corrected. And with all the inflation and FUD out there, the price just kept going down anyways. But if we can get that crisscross action going on where the 20-day moving average flips the 200-day moving average, like we're seeing the 20-day moving average working its way up and working its way up now to that 200-day moving average. If we're able to flip that and the 200-day moving average then becomes on the bottom and it works out that way, then that's a really good sign. And that's what we really want. So hopefully that's what we're going to be getting. That's also significant for the entire crypto market. Looking at everything we've gone through this year so far with cryptocurrencies declining so much and how Bitcoin had just continued falling down, this could be a clear sign that the crypto market has hit its bottom, and now we're seeing that rally type behavior right now. This is exactly what we want to be seeing. So if this is to happen, if we are to pass that 20-day moving average of Bitcoin, this is great for all the altcoins, and this tells us a lot about the current behavior of the crypto market. Now, for even more excitement here, the 20-day moving average of ADA has already surpassed the 20-day moving average. So it's already flipped that. So this is a long time since we've seen this actually happen. The last time that 20-day moving average was sitting above the 200-day moving average was back in October of 2021, at the end of October 2021. So this has been a long time that we've actually seen this happen. So this is another really good sign about what is going on with Cardano and the whole crypto market. We are seeing a trend here. We are seeing some bullish behavior here. And this is exactly what we need to be seeing. Now, as far as some recent news with Cardano's development team Input Output has created a new light wallet, which is called Lace. This new wallet comes with a host of features. According to the development team, the wallet allows users to primarily manage, control, as well as store their cryptocurrencies in one place. The wallet will also let users keep their non-fungible tokens in the same place, which will help users manage all their digital assets in one wallet without relying on third-party solutions. And also in a recent report by Input Output, they had confirmed that the final node needed for the Vasil Hard Fork for launch, node 1.35.0, has been successfully released. The team noted that the release of the node brings them significantly closer to the long-awaited, highly anticipated Cardano upgrade. According to the team, nodes are ready, and the next step is to prepare for the launch of the Vasil Hard Fork on the Cardano testnet. Finally, right? Input Output says that at the moment, 75% of the stake pool operators on the testnet have upgraded, and the team will submit a testnet update proposal. Furthermore, Input Output says that the community should expect more information on the development this week. Now let's look over at the total value locked of Cardano, according to Dubai Llama. The amount of ADA tokens currently locked, 288 million of them, and this is a nice little rebound from where we were at more than a week ago, where we had seen the price of Bitcoin fall below that $20,000 price. There was a bit of selling off that did happen with ADA, and now we are rebounding from that, so this is very nice to see. So as long as everything works out fine, the launch of the Vasil Hard Fork on the mainnet should be sometime at the end of the month of July. And I think personally it's a really nice thing that they did actually move that, because seeing how the price of Cardano currently is behaving, seeing how the announcement of the Vasil Hard Fork being delayed did not really affect the price at all. It's still making some really nice moves at this moment, still managing to stay above that 200-day moving average on Ethereum, and still managing to possibly break through that 200-day moving average on Bitcoin. So seeing all this stuff, seeing how the behavior of Cardano's price is right now, this says a lot. And with seeing that and knowing that a month from now that the Vasil Hard Fork could be launching on the mainnet, this gives us time. This gives us that little push that we need to be able to see the price of it going to maybe a price of $1 or so. You know, that's where my prediction currently is, that if we do see a little bit of movement over in the crypto market, which is looking like we might be getting some more movements over in the crypto market, especially with Bitcoin managing to continue to stay above $20,000 right now, this is all saying a lot to me. This looks nice. This is improvement right here. So we might be able to see that $1 price with Cardano by the end of July. Hopefully, that's as long as everything works out very well. But who knows what can happen? Anything, of course, could really happen. There's so much other moving parts out there in the crypto market right now that prices could always change. But anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about Cardano. Do you guys think that we could possibly be seeing the price of ADA going to $1 by the end of July? I would like to know, especially with everything that we're seeing right now. So I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about the topics that we talked about. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you in the next one.